Namaste. Google Classroom is a very famous application now among the children and the teachers. It is very helpful, and in the Google Classroom we are using lots of comment to the children, individual comment or the class group comments, but all these comments we are sending as a text message. But if you are getting a facility to send this message in your own voice, it will be better, because children are hearing your own voice, okay, own sweet voice, okay, their own teacher's voice. They are hearing the comments and the instructions, they are getting their teacher's voice, okay. That is a best idea, no? But how can we do this? How can we send this audio comments to the children in classroom? Okay, that we are going to do today. For that, I am introducing you two extensions, which Google Chrome extension. You know how to install the Google Chrome extension. Click here for the web store, and when you click here, you can see the web store icon. And after reaching in the web store page, there you type the first application name is Mote, M-O-T-E, type and enter. Here this is Mote. And one more thing, already I have added this application in my computer, that's why it is in here added. But you know how to install extensions, okay, that is no need to waste time. I told about two applications. The second application also we can install now itself. Its name is Talk and Comment, okay. Type Talk and Comment and enter. You can see that application also. This is a Talk and Comment. So two applications, these two applications are very useful. And why I am telling about two application means, first application you can send only 30 seconds message, and very useful also. 30-second message, 30-second messages only we can send as comment. But the second one we can use unlimited sound, okay, unlimited time you can use the comment for the comments. That is second one. And but one difficulty also there, that's why I am telling two applications. You can use both. What is the difference in, I will show you when I am explaining this. For installing this, you can see the icon just top of this page. If it is not seeing, you click here in this list, you can see, and when you click this pin button, okay, it will show, it will be seen on top of this page. Okay, after opening the Google Classroom, you click in this icon. When you click in this icon, you check here it is a enable extension, okay, it must be enabled there. And the other thing also, the Talk and Comment also, click there. When you click in the Talk and Comments, you can see this will be off. Then you have to click and on this, then only it will be start. When you on this, you can see the icon, one icon of a Talk and Comment just rise out of this. So both applications we activated, okay. When you click in the mode first time, it will ask the permission of your microphone, that also you have to give the permission, okay. This application is ready to use. We can go to the classroom. I am opening one classroom. In this classroom, I am opening one assignment. Here, I have 5 children in my class. I am opening one child classroom, a child page. This is a one child page. Just below this page, I am going to send one message to that child. You know how to send the individual message. I will show you. You can see the icon just right side. You click there. Then recording started. You can tell whatever message you want to send to the children. You can start to the child, only to this child, okay. This is individual message. Hello child, you don't forget to submit your assignment tomorrow itself, okay. That message I recorded, actually I recorded all these things, okay. In that message everything came. So I am clicking here done. Only 30 seconds you can record by using this motor. Then if you want to hear this message once more, you click in this edit button. Then you can see whatever you recorded, and click and you hear this message once. Okay, if you are satisfied with this message, you can exit and send this message. And one more thing, you can send the heading. You can select the heading and you can add your own heading also, and you can translate this heading into different languages also. Okay, after checking this message, you click in this button, post button. Okay, that message will go. So this message went to this child only. When the child is opening his page, okay, that message came here. See, just right side, he can see, he can hear that message. When he click here, he can see that, hear the message. And one more thing, let me tell, you must tell the students to install this application in their Google Chrome also, because it is free. So it easily they can install this mode and this talk and comment. So they also can send the audio message to the teachers by using this application. So to and fro means here the students can send the message also, means a reply also they can send individually or in class group to the class also. Now we can use the talk and comment application also. The difference between Mote and talk and comment is this one. I'm using this talk and comment icon. Okay, this is the talk and comment icon. I'm clicking here. Now the recording started. Now the benefit is there is no any time limit when you are using this talk and comment, but in Mote you have to record only 30 seconds, but here in talk and comment unlimited, no problem. And only one thing is after the recording the comment, you click in the tick button. Now you will get one message box here. The link is copied automatically to the mouse, no need to do anything. This link we have to click OK, and you have to paste that link wherever you want to send that comment. Here I am going to, in this place I am going to paste this comment, Control plus V or right click and paste. Okay, this link came here, then you have to post this comment. When you post this, it will change into button. Okay, that link, children will get a note like this link. In the same page, they will get one button. When they click on the button, they can hear the comment directly. Only thing we have to paste. No need to copy, automatically it will be copied, but we have to paste this link in the page. And in the children's page, it will change into button. Now you can see here the button. Okay, not the link, it is changed. Only this thing, this is the difference between Mote and the talk and comment. If you want to send more than 30 seconds, you use this talk and comment. But Mote, no need to paste the link, automatically this link will be gone to the children's page. After recording, simply you click tick. But the talk and comment, you have to paste this link in the message box. Only that is a difference. And you can comment and you can record unlimited time also in talk and comment. That's why whichever you use, whichever you feel comfort to use, you can use anyone. Okay, nothing else. Okay, this is difference. And now I will show you how to send the message in classroom, total classroom, how to send the message here. So this is the box to send the message or whatever you are posting, all the children can see together. No, you know that here we can send the audio message. When you click there, there is no any icon of the Mote or the Google Talk. Then how to send this message in this common area? For that, don't worry, you open, simply click whatever message you have to send. Before that, you simply click in the icon. Then you can see one recording box just top of this. This is that, and click here. Then recording started. Hello children. Tomorrow you have to bring that notebook because you have to copy down something. Okay, don't forget to get ready with the notebook tomorrow in class. Okay, So this message, after this you click it done. When you click done, whatever you recorded, you can see that message here as a link. You simply click in this icon and it will be copied. Simply copy and click in the announcement box and paste. That link have come here. Post this. When you post this, it will change to its a button. See, now you can see the button. By clicking this button, you can hear your voice. You can hear your voice itself. So children also can hear. Children means if you paste the message here, everyone can hear together, and the children can send the reply by clicking in this. Let us check how the children are seeing in the common area. So I'm going to the children's page. When we are going to children's page, we can see that, see, just now we sent the message in general. In announcement area means a common area. This is that message. By clicking here, they can hear the voice and they can send the message as a reply. They can send the audio message. But if they are sending message here, all the children will hear together. So this is the method to use the audio message. The another benefit is we can do live group activity in the classroom by using this audio message facility, and that I will discuss, that I will show you in the next video.